ka lang. Okay, 15, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Good. 4.
Gagalaw-galawin ko na lang, hindi na ako magsasalita dito.
Basta, naka-record na yun, start recording yan eh.
Play by play. Boxy Chick Hearns.
Ako muna kaya mag-announce.
Ikaw muna, kuya, halika.
Ako muna mag-announce. Oh. Pinasa kay ano, tsaka pinasa kami. Tira mo na.
Roy, mag-announce sabay, kanta.
Hello. Binabati ko nga pala si Kuya Rick sa kabilang side. Ano may focus? Oo, yan na.
Puta, sayang, lalaro lang natin. Walang parado pa lang.
We want Poco. Lahat ng ibang kulay, kuyang, kakampi mo.
Anip nga sila eh. Anip ka.
Hindi, basta yung green, kalaban mo yung mga green. Anip na sila.
Partida, anip. Partida, anip. Partida, anip ah.
Mr. Sipagan.
Yun lang. Hoy, magsalita ka!
Nakakalito pala to. Ikaw na yung camera, ikaw pa yung sasalita. Mahirap pala yung trabaho ni Kuya, no? Kala mo madali. Paisan.
Paisan.
Pader. Dapat pala dito madaldal ka. Wala akong masabi. Bistek! Oh yeah!
Drinibal, pinasa. Sinod, mintage.
Vasco. Mayor Bistek. Bistek! Kuya King, napapabilib mo na talaga ako ah. Hindi lang pang pamilya, pang sports pa. Lapit ka kuya. Zipagan. Yun.
Ano, pre? Tulungan kita.
Ikaw mag-host, halika dito. Tayo dalawa. Ikaw ang DJ.
Marcanyosa dribbling the ball. Nakita sa ilalang pumoses si Mark pa isang pumoses, tinira. Pasok mga kaibigan!
Pwede ba na
Defensa 2-3, 2-3. Taas lang kamay. O sa ilalim, tira. Box out!
Bias yung... Bias yung anak. Nag-expose pa. Bias yung announcer. Pag sa kabila, malungkot. Walang yan.
Nice rebound by number 6. Pass play on the left. Pass on the weak side. Mr. Announcer, take the shot. And
Yan!
Hirap pa talaga mag-announce. Arcanyosa waiting for his teammates. It's okay, it's okay. Baba sa depensa.
Baseball pass to the referee.
There. Last 9 minutes in the first half. Nice play by Barry Marcanyosa.
Sub that one.
Kaya silang taas ng mga kamay. Box out, box out. No foul. There you go, it's okay.
Pasco. Bias na bias yung announcer. Pati shoot ng kalapan, hindi sila sa atin.
Brother Chris. Yeah! Very nice.
Iba energy dito sa kabila. One-sided ah. Sub. Okay, sub. Good ball. Where's he?
The shot. Air ball. Let's go for the fast break. Come on. Push. Nicely.
Sobrat!
Substitution. Mike Basan out. Sino pa isa? Brother Pete out. Brother Rico in and Brother Jasper. Score is 13-9. Last 7 minutes in the quarter. Go Brother Chris, on your left.
Hirap pala mag-announce.
Score is 15-11. Good pass.
Pass, Chris.
Puta na, scoreboard din pala dito, ano?
Automatic.
Hindi, may score. Ano na ba yung score, kuya?
17-11.
Sino 17?
Green.
Ano yan? Home?
Martino Moneta.
Home yan?
DDL. Sino yung 17 home? Basta right guard.
Dito yung home sa left side.
17.
11.
Tapos pagka yung per sub change score, change score, pati score.
Pati dito.
Napakahirap na ng trabaho ko dito. Tapos makakantayin mo pa ako.
Tinatawagan ko kung sino marunong kumanta ha. Pwede pumunta dito.
Ba't walang ano, oras? May oras dito.
Kaya mo na yung oras.
Yan ko, thank you.
Okay, sige.
No basket. There.
Yeah, but on the ground, so you would have had no point. Take it out.
Si Kuya Mark, mahilig talaga sa mani. Ingat niya ako. Mahirap yung ginagawa ni Kuya talaga.
Ayos ba?
Cañosa, Kinambio. Mahirap itong ginagawa ni Kuya.
Kuya Rico.
Ba't umiiyak si Andres? Love. Love?
Time out on the next level mo.
Time out daw kuya.
Next dead ball daw.
Ay, next.
Pader.
Time out. Fred.
Time out.
Time out. Time out.
Time out. Time out.
Kuya, mahirap pala yung ginagawa mo. Pero audio mo, yung audio mo dito na lang din galing.
Hindi, dito. Pero pwede rin dito.
Pero nakita mo ang hirap mag-ano, pero parang ganyan basketball sa kanya. Bato-bato lang.
Pero sa OBS ka dumadaan. Sa OBS ka dumadaan. Recorded ng OBS.
Two.
First up ba to?
First up.
First.
Anyosa.
Sakay mo tayo.
Sa downtown kami.
Bakit?
Nagpa-reserve ako. Saan kayo punta?
Dito lang, OC. Kakain lang din kami after.
Hindi, nakapag-reserve na, nagbayad na ako eh.
Babayaran mo yung binayaran mo. Magkano yung binayaran mo? Ha? Hindi ko alam.
Si Kuya, Kuya...
Oh, sabong mo na. Alis ba tayo? Oo.
For vegetable inquiries for AJ Pader, AJ Pader, vegetable inquiries is with AJ Pader. If you have inquiries, AJ Pader will take care of you.
Minutes lang. Default na nga yung ano eh. Panalo na kayo. Default. Hindi na kaya yung mga kalaban nyo daw. Pwede.
pawis din. Oo. Hindi, kung... Oh, maya. Thank you, ref.
Back to the ball game. I'm back in action. Thank you for that warm up.
Ludwig Van is back in the mic. Here we go. We are tied at 30 or 32 rather. And the score from Jasper Domingo. (34 to 32). Oh, it's okay. Thank you. Basco taking it close to the hole and tying the ball game up at 34. Uses the glass and in for Den Basco. Domingo, middle to Palang. And no call. And a score for Gardena Monita Lodge. Gardena Monita Lodge coming off from a loss from Nueva Ecija Masons. And now Amianan playing underman today with Worship Poco and Den Basco. And me, Ludwig Van, suiting up as the official lineup of Amianan. But of course, reinforcing this team by some of the Nueva Ecija Masons players led by Ian Talyara, Joshen, and AJ Pader. High-low and Kabanatan. At least that was a good run for Ludwig Van today. Was able to jog a little bit. But my knees are giving up on me. And ball will go to Gardena Monita Lodge. Or just a correction of the score. Amianan down by 2. Poco. Short on that attempt. Talyara. Anticipated by Romero. Paisan. Runner. Hits the board. 38 to 34. 10 minutes and 26 remaining. Pader and Pader lighting it up from long distance. As he cuts the lead down to 138 to 37. Romero crossover. No look pass. Kabanatan. Upper body strength on that one. Well, good control on that attempt. 40 to 37. 3-point lead separating both teams. Joshen, catch and shoot. Too strong. Substep dead lang.
You gotta wait. You gotta wait for that whistle. Yeah.
We'll just call a timeout na lang.
Sige, kuya.
Oh, he don't have his cameraman. Oh. Damn. I'm not doing his job for real. I don't know their names. I got you. I get on the mic. I got you. Another turnover. Another basket, number 23. After the GOAT, Michael Jordan. Some say LeBron James. Another three. 23 gets the rebound. He's taking it to the hole all the way. Drops a nice dime. 17 scores. The crowd goes wild. There they go. The side jump shot, number 6. He breaks a three-pointer. Sub. Doing their own thing. Here we go. A turnover, number 25. Just slow it down. You're tired, sub. It's going in the game, sub. We're going to do this like hockey. 5 minutes and 27 seconds left in this ball game. MVP taking it to the hole. Can he score? Fast break. It's going all the way. Oh, he drops the dime. And 23 lays it in. The referee is Marcus Reed. We have a kick ball. Stay there. Black ball. Black ball. That's a jump shot. Fast break. 2-on-1. What is he going to do? Can he make it? He's going to settle for the three. And he does not make it. Three-pointer for number 25, and it does not go. That's all right, they stay with the rebound, and he's gonna dunk it. Fast break, he has the layup, he's on the move, and he scores. MVP, oh, he misses. By yourself, he settles for the three. Coaches would have been sat down. Get that layup. He's going to the hole. He's going to take it all the way. 3-on-2 action. He's going to pull the three. This time he's going to make it, and he does it. Looks good, though. It looks good.
of the game is Mike Paisan. Thank you for giving us a good game. It's just a 3-point lead. GML winning the game, thank you. And that's the end of our Interlodge Baseball Basketball League. Thank you for a good day. See you next week.